What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for joining me again for another one. So we're back over here on the truck, and we're back to trying to diagnose. Actually, I'm not even gonna call it diagnosing, because I'm gonna show you guys right now, straight up, like show you guys the damn codes. As you can see, I was already on my way to finding that damn code. I had an issue right here with the wiring. I took care of it. I gotta pretty much put everything back together, but I was looking for I was checking the code to see what in the flying was up. But before that, let me roll down my windows. So we're gonna go ahead and check. I'm gonna show you guys the damn code and what I suspect is wrong with the damn truck. There it is, P1682. 1 out of 2, 2 out of 2. Same damn code. Okay, that's the only code that we're getting right now. So let me shut this off. So these trucks right here, they're notorious for a couple problems. One of them being oil starvation. When you launch, boom, the pan holds the oil on the front of the engine. So obviously when you, and the pickup tube is, I'm sorry, the pan holds the oil in the front of the engine. So when you floor it, you know, the truck goes, you know, it kind of wants to lift up, and you know, naturally the oil wants to, you know, move backwards. So momentarily the engine starves from oil, so it results in rod knock. These trucks have rod knock all the fucking time, which is why I threw a baffle on this oil pan, so I can prevent from doing that. Didn't prevent me from fucking blowing my damn engine, because I had some idiots working on my truck. So yeah, that's not, and that's another thing. I mean, I'm gonna get to that later on, maybe in this video, maybe in another video. But anyways, so yeah, oil starvation is one of them. Transmissions is another one. Transmissions are notorious for blowing up, because I don't know, they're just not strong enough. Even for a stock ass engine, the transmission never lasts. And I still have the OEM transmission, so you know, I have to be looking into future solutions for that transmission. 4L80, wink wink. And for check engine codes, this fuse box have the same problem of breaking a wire or a cable. Yeah, it's a cable. It's like a copper wire. I think it's like a 20 gauge copper wire that goes in the fucking fuse box. I actually did take the fuse box off already to look for that issue, but I didn't find it. So I went digging on the internet to see what in the hell, because it's a code that it's not a fuse. It's not something that you can change. It's something you got to track down on the wiring system. And I'm no electrician. I don't do electrical diagnostics. That's some shit that I just don't want to get into. But if I have to, I will. But it's something I just try to avoid. I'm gonna take this box back off. Everything's still loose. So I'm gonna take this box back off, because I was searching for that broken wire, and I found that I was looking in the wrong place. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is that you got to be looking for if you own one of these. So to separate the computer, there's a couple tabs. There's one right here in the side. There's one right here in the front, two right here on the firewall on the apron side, and one in the back. So I kind of just grab these and pry it up a little bit just so we can gain a little bit of momentum. Get that one. This one right here. This one right here in the back. See it clip back on. So I guess one thing that you can do just to save yourself a little bit of time is pull your, actually these aren't even supposed to come out. I think I broke the tabs that go in here and they just completely come off, which is actually what you need to do in order for you to be able to do what I'm about to do today. And bam, damn, that was so much easier. So I've taken this box out multiple times, and I've always had a struggle with this fucker like this, and then just, you know, trying to take these off. And I saw a video, I think it was Coverman, he grabbed these bolts and he just smacked them with like a hammer, lightly obviously, and he got these out, and it was just like ridiculously easy. I was like, wow, I can't believe I've been fucking struggling taking these fucking things off all this whole time. So yeah, that part. So now I just gotta take these off, which are hard as hell, which I'm gonna fucking pry with these. Blam. I swear I thought I had two other, those ones right there. I think it's broken. What the fuck happened? So apparently this one was, the black one wasn't connected. Okay. Bam. And then there you go. You have your fuse box taken out. So let's take this back inside where it's cooler, and let's see if we can find that goddamn broken wire. It's probably gonna happen more than once. I don't even know if there's a fix, and I can almost guarantee you that that issue is probably in the exact same spot that happens to everybody. Like, it's this little curve, and yeah, it just happens to everybody that I see, the exact same spot. So let's go check it out. All right, you guys, so now that I have this all separated from the you know, the plastic covers, once again, so basically when you have all your fuses still on the on, you know, this top cover right here, you're not gonna be able to take off this little sandwich plate right here, or well, the sandwich piece that goes in between the top cover and the bottom cover, where the, you know, the pigtails or the harness plugs go connected to. You have to take off all your fuses and relays, and the problem that you're actually looking for is right here. So once you have it off, and you know you're looking for the side, you're looking at this side, the one that's directly on, you know, on the fuses. Like if you were to put them right here, bam, right there, that's where the fuses go. The one wire that you're looking for is this one right here. So I was looking at, because I went straight to this one. I knew that this is the one that everybody always has a problem with, and I would go straight to the little curve that always seems to break, and which would be this one right here. Unfortunately, I can't zoom in, you know, with this with the GoPro, but when I was inspecting this, I swear you cannot tell that it's broken at all. I was even digging with this, or scratching with this little pick, and it seemed straight flat. Like it seemed like as if it was all one piece. So I was kind of mad. I was like, I can't believe it's not broken, because you can't tell it's broken. Like it's a whole piece right there. I mean, I know you can't see the because of the zoom, but let me see if I can. Hold on. Yeah, so there's no way in hell I could show you guys exactly how it looks like, but just take my word for it. This little curve right here is broken, and if you own a Trailblazer Super Sport and you take this shit off, it's gonna break right here also. Here, I'll poke it out. I'll show you guys the only way I know how to make it clear. I mean, right there, I can already see it lifted. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a picture of that right there, just so you guys can see. All right, so that was a complete failure. I tried to see if I can take a picture with it with my camera, either one of these two lenses, see if they would work, but they don't. I need a macro. Anyways, yeah, so the only way I could actually show you guys that this thing is actually broken, and it is, the issue is, I'll lift it up. Right there. I mean, I hope you guys can see it split right there. So that is the issue right there. And I guess that would be the reason why these things, you know, honestly, I think that this right here is probably like a bad route that they decided to make on this for this wire, because every single fuse box that I've ever seen has that crack exactly in the same spot right there. That curve right there, it's always broken in that spot. That's the same wire, same spot, same everything. It always happens, never fails. If you have a Trailblazer, then you probably have the same, either have had it, or are going to have it in the future, in the near future. But anyways, I actually went to Lowe's and Home Depot to see if I could buy the copper wire and replace it, so I could take care of that right now. I mean, what people will do is they'll buy this whole thing, and they'll replace the whole fuse box, But this is the Ghetto Rig channel, and we gotta represent what we push. So I'm gonna fix this shit. I mean, I can fix it. I can also buy a brand new. I mean, I could buy a brand new $200, or I could fix it $10. I think I'd rather fix it, maybe, because this is the Ghetto Rig channel, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in here. All right, so there you go, folks. That's we found the problem, and we're gonna address it. We're gonna fix it. The way that we do things in this channel, we gonna do it ourselves. We gonna Ghetto Rig it. We gonna, you know, we gonna get it done. It's gonna be done one way or another. And I'm gonna show you guys how to, you know, fix this specific issue for less than $10. I could guarantee you I'm gonna fix this for less than $10. So if you have a Trailblazer, like I said, you either have it, you're gonna have it, or you have had it, and either you fix it yourself, or you went and spent way too much money for a fuse box. So thank you guys for joining me and get another one, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one, where we finally get this finished up and fixed. And I'm gonna show you guys the car running, so it's gonna be guaranteed. All right, so deuces.